In this video, we walk you through how to show an Outlook calendar on a TV with Screenly. To get started, log into your Outlook account and click the dotted menu icon on the top left of the screen. Next, click the calendar icon in the expanded menu. Once your Outlook calendar loads, click the gear-shaped settings icon on the top right of your screen. Next, in the pop-out menu, click the View All Outlook Settings link at the bottom. In the new pop-up modal, click the Shared Calendars tab. Then under the Publish a Calendar section, select the calendar that you want to display from the Select a Calendar drop-down. To the right, you will see a Select Permissions drop-down menu. Click on it and select if you want people to see the details of your calendar events or only whether or not you are busy. Next, click Publish. Next, you will see a HTML link below. Click on the HTML link and select Copy Link. The next step is to add your Outlook calendar to your online Screenly account. To do so, log into your Screenly account and click on the Content tab on the left-hand side of the screen. In the new page that loads, click on the Plus New Content button on the top right. In the new pop-out modal, click on the URL tab and enter the copied HTML link for your Outlook calendar. Next, click Finish on the bottom right. In the new page that loads, create a custom title for your Outlook calendar in the Title section. After you add a title, be sure to click Save on the bottom right of your screen. Your Outlook calendar is now part of your content library on your online Screenly account. To show your Outlook calendar on your digital sign, you now need to add your Outlook calendar to a playlist and screen. To do so, click the Playlist tab on the left-hand menu on the Screenly web interface. Select a playlist and click the plus Add button near the bottom right of the new Edit Playlist page. Next, select your added Outlook calendar with a plus button and click Done on the bottom right of your pop-up modal. Then select which screen or screens you want your playlist to show on by entering the screen name or screen group label in the Plays On section at the top of the Edit Playlist page. To finish, click the Save button on the bottom right of the page. Your Outlook calendar will then display on your TV. That's all for now. You now know how to show an Outlook calendar on a TV with Screenly. To get started with Screenly, sign up for a free 14-day trial on our website at www.screenly.io.